Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing a quick and easy Excel tip, how to remove both the first and last three characters from a text string within a cell. Short pause, maybe a quick visual of the desired outcome on screen. Often, you might find yourself with data that has unwanted prefixes or suffixes. Manually deleting them is tedious, especially with large datasets. Luckily, Excel provides a simple solution. Transition to Excel screen showing sample data, e.g., a column with product codes like XYZ123ABC, PQR456DF, etc. Okay, so here's our data. Let's say we want to get rid of the first three characters and the last three characters from each of these entries. We're going to use a combination of two functions, MID and len. First, let's understand what these functions do. *len tells us the total number of characters in a cell. *mid extracts a specific portion of a text string. Slight pause, allow viewers to absorb the information.
Alright, now let's write our formula.
In the adjacent cell, let's say cell B1 next to A1 with our first value, type equals mid, A1 4, len, A1-6. Show the formula clearly on screen, perhaps zoom in.
Let's break this down.
*A1 is the cell containing the text string we want to modify. Change this if your data is in a different cell. *4 tells the MID function to start extracting characters from the fourth position. Why 4? Because we want to skip the first three. *len, A1, gives us the total length of the text string in cell A1. *6 subtracts 6 from the total length. Why 6? Because we are removing the first three and the last three characters, a total of 6. Pause, emphasize the 6. So len A1-6 tells the MID function how many characters to extract after skipping the first three and before reaching the last three. Demonstrate dragging the formula down to apply it to all rows. Now, simply drag this formula down to apply it to all the cells in your column. And there you have it. The first and last three characters are gone, leaving you with just the desired portion of the text. Show before and after comparison clearly. This is a super useful technique for cleaning up data, especially when dealing with product codes, IDs, or any other data that consistently has unwanted prefixes and suffixes. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe to Rome Tips for more quick and easy Excel tips and tricks. Also, let me know in the comments below if you have any other Excel challenges you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching.